Brad Williams, Excel Prime, find the last relative row. Keep in mind, we're sometimes in a hurry. We overlook some things. There's an obvious error here. We have a last number row, 6. I kind of give you a few clues. It's relative row. We're always looking for the last relative row. And because this layout is a little intentionally screwed up, we have 7 rows. What is it that's not triggering this as 7? And I'm going to give you a second to look at it. Here's one way to do it. We're going to use the large number approach. We're just going to throw in some unbelievably huge number. And we want to put plus 307. So we have an outcome. Then we're going to compare that to this particular series, B5 to B11. The number shows 6. In some cases, you're going to go, it's 455. Well, that's not the question. Find the last numbered row. Numbered row. Where's the last numbered row? It's 200 plus. No, no, no. That's text. You put that plus sign in there without anything else, it's read as text. And then the 99, that's the last number. That's the trick here. All we're doing is making this number unrealistic. You can use this approach. We've done it how many times? And you can just use the 2. It's going to find the last number. We have this 200 here. We put an F in here. What's going to happen? They're both going to provide relative row 4. Put T in here, and it's going to be 3, so on and so forth. Everything else is the same. Play around with this. Read it if you need it. And if this large number thing is bothering you, read over here. Just think of the logic. Or just use this approach. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks.